Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. We got some fun things happening today. So the Mani by Me box came from Maniology. This is October's box. I don't know too much about what's in it, so let's do the unboxing, shall we? Okay, oh hey. First thing I noticed is that they found a way to bring the pineapple jellies back. Woohoo! Thank you, Maniology, for finding a way to bring them back. We missed those dadgum pineapple jellies. Okay, we got a receipt that I'm going to throw over here. Then we've got some cards, and we've got our bundle and bye-bye box. Okay, so let me get these things out of the way real quickly. This is our Autumn Vibes, Maniology's Mani by Me. Okay, it's very fall-like. I'm going to turn it over. I like to be surprised, so if you guys want to pause there and do some reading, I'll get back to that card in a little bit. And then we have Maple Orchard. This is pretty. Maybe a little too black for what I like, but this is pretty, so I'm guessing this is one of their colors. And this is their tutorial card. I will be doing this tutorial card. I'll probably get that video out in a couple of days after this one. And oh, it looks cute. We've got some reverse stamping going on. It's gonna be cute. Gonna be cute. So let's break open the goodies. So what's the extra item? What is the extra item? Okay, so this is our two stamping. Okay, so we have our two stamping plates, our two stamping polishes, and then the extra item is, I love these things, I really do. They are our, they're non-latex and they're cuticle tape, but they're really for protecting your cuticles around this area. So when you're doing gradients or ombres, or when you have like really big stamp, or if you're stamping black, this is really great to have on the outside. And I hardly ever purchase them because they're so expensive. So thank you, Maniology, you rock. Maybe I'll break those out, some of those out in the tutorial that we do for this one, because it looks like we're going to do some reverse stamping with black and we might have some overlay. So maybe I'll use one of those for that. All right, on to the plates. We've got MXM066. It's supposed to be stitches or loops, or I don't really know what that is. Supposed to be a spine of a book, maybe? I'm not really sure. Oh, here we've got some notebook paper, so that could kind of go along with that theme. Golden Days, Autumn Vibes, Pumpkin Spice makes everything nice. Different fall motifs, pumpkins, a little fall. Oh, I like the truck design. That's very cool. You've got some buttons and some, what is it, stripes? I love a good stripe on a nail. Pumpkin pie, welcome fall, cup of tea, fall and giving, and fall y'all. That's always fun. That's a little too wide to put on my nail though, I think. Blessings. Those are some nice fall motifs. Very nice. Okay, let's go see what the next one is. Ta-da! The next one is MXM065. This one is the Build Your Own Scarecrow. These are really cute. So these ones, if you layer them and decide which one you want for your pants, your shirt, your face, your head, and your hat, you can build your own snowman. I love these. Look at this. They're just different, random, not floral, but fall designs. And I guess they are floral, not floral, but plant-like. What does that say? Autumn calling? Pumpkin with sunflowers. Fall. I love fall most of all. That's cute. Hello, autumn. Be grateful. Oh, I love that one. Be grateful for sure. It's a fall festival, and I just love these. Oh, this is a great background stamp right here. I love using that as kind of a background for whatever stamps you have going on. And here's, I think, what they had in their tutorial. This kind of tree right here. That's really cool. Very pretty. Very awesome plant fall plates we've got going on there. And let's now open up our colors, which I'm guessing are going to be very fall-like. Obviously, I think there's some, maybe this one, the orange, not orange, but green, maybe. Maybe some orange, maybe a dark red. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm going fall. Oh, yeah, I'm right. Fall. So, yes, it is that color, which is called Pistachio. Fittingly, it's called Pistachio. This one, oh, it looks so cool in the bottle. It's called Chestnut, and once again, it's one of those browns, but it has this really cool iridescent green shimmer through it, and it looks like, I just don't know how much this will come through with stamping. It looks really cool, and I bet on the nail, it looks really awesome. So let's, you know what, let's do some swatches of those, and we're not just gonna do a swatch on the top, let's do also some swatches on some fake nails real quick. Let's start with our swatching the colors on a nail. So this is that pistachio color. So pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's not exactly what I expected even out of the bottle. I mean, there's nothing that says pistachio more than this color though. Very cool. Okay. Great green. I don't think I have any green that color that has, I mean, yeah, I definitely don't have any green that color. Or even close. And I got a lot of greens. Okay, so this one is our chestnut color. And it's the one that has those shimmers in it. And I'm curious to see how much of that's going to come through when we... Oh, yeah, you can see them. It reminds me of chocolate. Really pretty, dark, rich, beautiful brown. I don't know if you can see the shimmers. Is it picking them up? I don't know if you can see them or not, but they are really pretty. It's a great fall color. Both of these are great fall colors because you normally go with, like, they normally have the yellows and the oranges, but the green, this color green is perfect, I think. I can't wait to do the tutorial for this because, yeah, they're going to use those. That's going to be really pretty. Okay, so now let's do some stamping swatches of these beautiful colors. Grab my monocle stamper. Get my scraper ready. Okay, so pistachio first. Oh, yeah. I hope you guys can see that. Wow, it stamps pretty well over black too. That's great. See if I can focus in it for you. Very pretty. It almost looks like just a really, really super dark yellow, but it's not. It's definitely green. Definitely green. Almost like a, yeah, I mean, it's just really pretty. Okay, and let me clean up and we'll get going with the next one. Do a little cleany. And then let's go for the chestnut color now. It's so cool because I know you can't see it on the silly thing, but it has like iridescent stripes in it. Okay. Yeah, it definitely looks like chestnut on there. And yeah, none of that shimmer is coming through right now, but you can see it really plainly and beautiful. Oh, you can see it. You can see those green shimmers in there, but you can't see it in the stamp, unfortunately. You also, when you paint it on, like, you can't see them as vividly as you can on the outside of this, probably because all that pigment gets stuck to the side of the bottle. But I mean, it does definitely have a greenish tint to it when you put it in certain lights at certain angles. Very pretty. All right, let me clean up and then we will review everything that's in this box. Okay, I've cleaned up my area. Now I'm going to review all the things that we got in our box. So it came with the description of all the pieces that were inside, so let's go and review it. So it's talking about its theme, autumn memories. We've got the idea that we've got the fall colors of chestnut and pistachio, and then snuggle up. Some fall themed cuticle protectors, set of 30. Wow, love it. They do fit really well to the curve of your nail. I love them. And you can stretch them however you need to. Paint and stamp as usual. Where does it talk about the plates in here? Hold on, I gotta hit pause and read about the plates. It does talk about the plates up here, but it doesn't specifically name them as MXM065 and 066. So anyway, this one talks about what you get in the box. This one is our tutorial card, which I will be doing a video about soon. Then we have our two fall themed plates. We've got MXM065, MXM066, those are our two plates. We also have our two beautiful colors, the chestnut and pistachio colors. And these really great nail protectors. You guys, these are expensive and I love them, and they're expensive because they're good. So these are gonna be a very nice addition to my collection. And don't forget your pineapple jelly. So thank you again, Maniology, for finding a way to make that happen. I almost ate it before I filmed this section, so it will be gone shortly. Anyway, people, you really should consider getting yourself, if you love stamping, you should get yourself the Maniology subscription. If you order 6 months at a time, I believe it's only $20 a box. It's, in my opinion, it's well worth it. You can skip the ones you don't want. You always get a free preview. You get other perks for being a subscriber. Like, there's other things that you definitely can get. So if you like stamping, if stamping is your thing, you should think about it. Also, if you want any other things from Maniology, go ahead and go to maniology.com, get yourself 10% off of your order. Throw things in your basket and buy them, people. In fact, I need to do the same. I need to go get some Joyful Jasmine. I love, you know what? Let me just pull that out real quick because this is so good. You guys, if you have not tried the Joyful Jasmine cuticle oil, it's number one, it's a great cuticle oil, and number two, it smells so good. So I'm going to be getting another one, actually probably several of them because they're really good. And I'll get another one of those. And go ahead and get yourself 10% off too. Use the code GROOVEMAMA and you can enjoy 10% off of your order. People, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye.